Activities for today, I do not have so much to do. I just have three things I want to do, which is sweeping the house, just doing some small mini cleanup. Then I want to go and make my hair. Then I also want to go and check out a driving school. This year, I promised myself that I was going to be perfect in my driving, and for some reason, I just left it for a while. But ever since I became pregnant and my bump grew, it has been difficult to move things around, especially when I go to the market, especially when I go to the local market and I go to the mall. I have to carry things and carry things. It's either I'm jumping bike or it's either I'm jumping keke, and it's stressful for me. Most of these bike people, when you tell them to take it easy, they are not even listening to you. And each time I go to market and come back, I always feel a little bit of discomfort because of the road and how they drive. So I made a promise to myself that before the year ends, this December, I am going to go and perfect my driving skills. And I already paid for my driver's license. So I'm going to check out the driving school today. So wish me luck. And I know that it's going to be easy because I already know some things. I just need to be perfect and be consistent. You guys know what this fan is for? Because of the heat this season, the heat has been so much, like everywhere is hot. And as a pregnant woman, oh my god, you are sweating times two or even times three. I had to get this. Oh, I had to get this mini hand fan. This one is not mini, I can't even carry it around. I had to get this fan because the sweat, especially at night and around my neck. I don't sweat in every other place, in any other place aside this my neck. I will just be sweating here and I will not be able to sleep. So that was why I got it. I'm supposed to use hot water for this tea, but the weather is so hot and I'm already sweating, so I'm going to be using cold water, like very, very chilled water. Hi guys, how are you all doing? I just got back from the market. I quickly went to the market early because I didn't want the sun to come out. These days the sun is so harsh. So I went very early and I'm back. But I've not had anything since morning. The time is currently 12:34 and I've not had anything. So let's quickly whip something up that I can eat. Maybe noodles, because that's the only thing that is very fast for me now to do. Also, I came out this morning and I found out that hubby forgot his tea. He has already made the tea while leaving this morning and he forgot it. So before I do the indomie, I want to quickly make this thing, just cut this fruit to eat because I'm very, very hungry and I don't know if I can wait for the indomie, because the way I want to do the indomie, I want to put veggies and boiling egg already. So let me just eat this one first. So we are done. Food is ready. Let us eat.